In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add custom words to your dictionary in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down and select Options from the bottom of this menu. And now you want to select the Proofing button over here on the left panel. And now on the right side, where it says when correcting spelling in Microsoft Office programs, select Custom Dictionaries. So if you want to add a custom word in here, just select the Edit Word List button over here, and then type in whatever you want, and then select Add, and then it should be added to the dictionary. If you want to remove them later, you can just select it and then select Delete, and that will delete that item. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.